The cabin air filter in 2013-2020 Ford Fusion models is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. To access it, first open the glove box. Then release the glove box stops. This usually involves squeezing tabs on the sides or in some models, removing small screws. Once the stops are released, the glove box should lower completely, revealing the filter housing behind it. Disconnect any electrical connectors if present, though this is rare. Unclip or unscrew the housing cover. Finally, slide out the old cabin air filter, noting the direction of the airflow arrows printed on the side of the filter. These arrows are crucial for correct reinstallation. Filters are typically 12.5 by 8.5 by 0.75 inches. With the old filter removed, insert the new cabin air filter into the housing. Ensure the airflow arrows on the new filter point in the same direction as noted on the old filter, typically toward the vehicle's cabin. Properly aligning these arrows is essential for optimal air filtration. Reattach the filter housing cover, securing it with clips or screws as originally configured. Reassemble the glove box by aligning it and pushing it back into place. Re-engage the glove box stops by squeezing the tabs or replacing the screws. Double-check that the glove box opens and closes smoothly without any rattling. For 2019-2020 models with magnetic stops, ensure these are properly aligned. Regularly replacing your cabin air filter improves air quality, reduces allergens, and prevents HVAC system strain.